right, we are expected to carry out this addition in base 2. Both numbers are in base 2 as shown. So let's get straight off into the solution. That's right. Now we pick them up in layers. 1, 1, 1, base 2, added to 1, 0, 1, base 2. Both numbers written into base 2. Operation addition. By the way, let's go. And the principle is that the digits allowed in this operation should not be up to 2. So we have a compensation for that. 1 plus 1 gives us 2. And that is not allowed here. So we divide by the base 2. 2 divides into 2. Gives us 1. Remainder 0. And that remainder 0 will be written with the 1 taken over into the next digit. 1 plus 0 is 1, plus the incoming 1 taken over, that gives us 2. Once again, we have to divide by 2. 2 divides into 2 gives us 1, remainder 0. So we're going to have remainder 0 once again and take 1 over to the next digit. Now, 1 plus 1 is 2, plus the incoming 1 gives us 3. This time around, 2 we divide into 3. 2 divides into 3 gives us 1, remainder 1. And now we have to write that remainder 1 and take this 1, the quotient, into the next digit. Now 1, having no other digits to combine with right here, will be written down to give our final answer in base 2. Very simple. 1, 1, 0, 0 to base 2. And that is option D as seen. Now, attached to this question, this video is the quiz question. Please attempt the quiz question. And of course, you can also test your mastery of the topic number basis by taking the test on number basis attached in the pinned comment. 30 questions to be solved in 30 minutes. So click on the link in the pinned comment to take the test on number basis. And if you decide to study the full video that presents the topic number basis, then you can click the link also in the pinned comment to study the full presentation of number basis.